That's so funny.
That's cool. Coolest pizza delivery ever.
How you guys doing?
Awesome. That is very much the coolest pizza delivery ever.
Absolutely. You just think you can zoom by the window. Did you get me okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Thanks for taking your time by the window. That was awesome.
I could have taken more, but I was just screwed. It takes a second to open up because it vacuum seals it. That's why I said it's on the way down. It's a lot easier to keep stuff dry.
How long you been working here?
How long?
Yeah.
About 2.5 years. I've been a dive master for about 2 years now.
Look, just looking around, this probably takes a lot of maintenance. These walls had to be scrubbed down.
Well, yeah, every 6 months to a year, you have to go inside and replace fittings and anything that looks like it needs to be replaced. And it's scary in there, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get in there, there's a hatch that comes off the top, you'll see nothing, and it can stir it up real fast. But there's, like I said earlier, we got to replace the sinks every 6 months, and there's sinks inside here along on the outside. That's like super important. It's like one of those cool things. There you go.
Thank you.
Cool.
Thanks, man.
Be good. So, tell you what I'll do is I'll leave this down here. So tomorrow, you just be able to put your stuff in here, and when you get done and ready, you can do your last little dive, and I can come down here and grab it. By the time you're done with your dive, it'll be up there.
Cool. We actually got all three done.
Yeah, I've seen that. I haven't written down on that. I don't have your PSI or anything,
All right.
but I have estimated your time. Take this with me. I'll leave this here with you. You guys enjoy your pizza and sub.
Thanks.
Probably maybe split it up, like maybe save the sub for tomorrow, or eat half of each.
All right. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
What time do we leave here for the surface tomorrow?
I'll take you guys out around 1:30.
1:30?
1:30.
All right, cool.
I'll call around 1 and get you guys ready. Get you back on 1:30. All right.
Awesome, man.
Thanks, man.
You guys enjoy. See you later.